Say hi, Vance.
Hi.
Say I'm making breakfast, Mommy.
Making breakfast, Mommy.
Say hey,
Now get
Tricka.
ready to put it in the stove.
Say hey, Tricka. Say hi to Mommy.
Over here,
Oh,
Vance.
you grumpy pants.
Vance, put it right here, Vance. Come on,
Making
Vance.
French toast. Cinnamon French
Put it
toast.
French toast.
Ah, so
Good boy. Go make another one. I taught your sister Kimberly how to make French toast.
not myself. How to make French toast.
Good boy. You're doing awesome. See, when you get married, you're going to make breakfast for
Tricka,
your
come
wife.
on. Say hi to
She
Mommy.
makes breakfast for me.
You grouchy pants.
And she,
Hey, don't you kick
she
me.
might make me breakfast too.
That's right, but you teach her. You don't want to just give them your treasures and your wallet. Woman, we're a team. All right. Come on, bring it over here so your Dia can take a video of you. Send it to your mom.
How are you?
That's awesome. Get close. Get close. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. All right. Gonna make another one. My chef always stays aware of his surroundings.
I think it's time to flip it, Mom. One
Okay, leave it there, and come and check on your French toast.
Come on, time to flip it. These two, I think it's ready.
Now we just put those.
No, these two. That one's especially because he did the first one.